Good morning, guys. Today is sports day ni Alexander. Oh my God, yung aking lip gloss. Iniwan ko kasi siya dito sa sasakyan. Ito no, baka mainit or what. Oh my God. I think okay lang naman siya. Mainit-init kasi ng konti today. Anyway, today is sports day ni Alexander. Tapos, pwede kaming manood pero hindi pwedeng mag-video, sayang. So, we will... No, ako lang pala. So, ayaw kasing, ayaw sumama ni Afam. Kasi nga, yung school ni Alexander, guys, is doon din nagsuschool yung anak ng ex niya. Yeah, kahapon nga nakita namin. So, kaya hindi siya masyadong, pag mga sa school, hindi muna siya pa-participate si Afam kasi makikita niya yung ex niya. Yung ex niya may bago na din actually. So yeah, today nandito tayo sa sa shopping center. Punta tayo ng Primark, H&M. I think I need to buy something in H&M. Yung mga basic lang. Eto sa Zara ko to binili. Mas maganda talaga siya na cotton. Cotton kahit sa Primark na cotton. Okay lang, iba pa din ang Zara, H&M na cotton nila. I don't know why. So, yan. Bibili ako sa H&M siguro. Kasi yung mga white ko kasi, guys, medyo nagkakamancha talaga siya. Actually, madali siya talagang magmancha. Kahit binibleach ko, okay, wala siya. Pero yung feeling ko na may mancha siya, parang ganun. So, ito kasi bago, kaya feel ko, oh, it's so nice like that. Pero later on, let's see. Sinuot ko tong aking Armani Exchange na watch. Kasi long time ko nang hindi to nasusuot. Yan. And ito naman is yung sa Dior ko na, oh my God. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung isa. Meron akong isang perfume na spray, sana siya. Okay. Kasi may sports day today, so hindi ako mag-shopping masyado na matagal. Okay, so let's go shopping. Hindi naman shopping na shopping, window shopping lang. Pero I think may bibilin ako konti sa Primark and also sa sa H&M. I need to buy at least t-shirt, basic t-shirt, mga ganito lang. And then ano pa ba? Yan lang siguro. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Ganda mag-shopping today dahil wala pa masyadong tao, guys. Ito yung sa M&S. And then there is Primark. Punta muna tayo sa Primark. Yeah. Kasi ano pa ngayon? 9 plus. So it's not busy. And marami pang parking, which is very good. Ito pala yung ating outfit. Super white niya. Ito 30 cream. Parang ang pangit yata. Hindi ko na-notice. Hindi ko kasi chinek. But it looks like not so good, no? Dirty white. Tsaka cream. Actually cream. Tsaka super white. I don't know. Let's see na lang. Medyo okay lang naman siguro yun. Yeah. Tsaka yung ko. Basta yun na lang, white, and then after that it's H&M. Okay, I'm here in Primark, guys, and this one I purchased this one before last 2 years ago, I think, and now I will purchase again kasi nasira na yung aking old. But look, meron siyang ganyan. Ano lang naman to, 16 pound, 15 pounds. So let's try it. I think it's the same because look at right now, this is from Primark also, kaso nga lang this is lace, so it's like sometimes it's really hard, you know, when you're in hurry. Compared to this one, it's easy to put on. So yeah, I think I don't need to check it. I'm sure it's comfy because it's all the same or a little bit same with my old one. Yeah. And then I'm going to purchase this for sleeping. Actually, I have many things now for sleeping, but I don't know. Should I grab this or not? Comment down below. I'm not so sure, but I feel like it's so cute. Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, comment down below, guys. I'm done na sa Primark, guys, and we're going to H&M. So yung nabili ko, bumili ako ng sandal. Actually, yung sandal, hindi talaga siya super na very maganda pagkagawa, but I don't know, maybe if I cannot find, pupunta naman ako sa Wednesday, pupunta ako sa isang Primark. So pag wala sila din, I will keep it. Pero pag meron sila, papalitan ko. i-return ko siya dito, tapos bibili ako doon. So yeah, I'm just so happy kasi nga meron si Alexander wallet. Nabili akong wallet for him, which is so cute. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung wallet na 4 pound lang siya, Spider-Man na wallet. So I'm thinking now, since yung wallet ni Alexander is Spider-Man, is bibili na lang din ako ng yung bag niya. I-return ko siya, yung binili ko last time, i-return ko siya, and I'll change it to Spider-Man bag din. 15 pound compared to sa anong tawag doon, yung binili ko, which is anong tawag, dinosaur. So anyway, palitan ko siya, guys. Yeah, pwede naman kasi dito palitan, kaya basta hindi mo lang ginamit, intact pa din yung bag, may receipt, okay pa. I need to find lang the receipt, now return it. Yeah. Tapos na ako, guys, and isa lang yung nabili ko sa H&M. Supposedly meron pa silang mas maganda, pero hindi ko binili, which is very good kasi parang hindi ko naman siya talaga yung ngayon. Kasi yung mga binibili ko, guys, is yung alam kong susuotin ko talaga, like t-shirt, alam kong susuotin. But may nakita akong dress that I like, kasi ako mahilig talaga ako sa dress. Lalagay ko lang siya dito kasi pupunta ako ng M&S ng mga 10 minutes or 15 minutes lang. So mahilig talaga ako sa dress. So pag may nakikita akong dress, parang natitempt ako. Meron ako nakita kanina na dress, dalawa, 10 pound kasi nga sell. Yung isa nga is 4 pound lang. Pero hindi ko siya binili kasi nga hindi naman ako masyadong nag-dress na ngayon, kasi mas comfortable na ako ng naka trouser. Yeah. Already one, guys, and at the same time low-bat na din ako, so I need to go na. Thank you so much for watching all our videos. Oh god, ang init ng sasakyan kasi mainit. Oh my god. Marami kasi nagpa-park, guys, kaya kailangan natin mag-squeeze. Ang init. Need to on the car. And then, I enjoy it today. Actually, it's pretty nice today. Yeah, okay guys. See you later. Pupunta na. Kailangan ko na mag-ready kasi nga may sports day sila ni Alexander. So, magko-coffee muna ako sa bahay bago pupunta sa school. Bye! Bye!
Was it Monday yesterday in your town?
Yes, it is.
No, you used Tati, Mommy.
Okay.
I need to ask them again. Guys, was it Monday in your tree or not? What did they say?
Yes. And today's Tuesday. It's this. Yeah.
But so I done Fox Day in Monday yesterday.
Yes, and
did you know that, guys? What did they say?
No, they didn't know.
They said no.
Yeah, tell me more about your sports day, Alexander.
Okay, let me just let this ice nailed him. This.
Yeah, so Alexander
let me get this ice because I hurt myself last time.
Yes, because Alexander is playing so much.
Well, it said I still didn't cry.
But he don't cry. Actually, this is the good thing about Alexander.
Yes, but I need
you don't cry.
I need the top with Fox Day now.
Okay.
So, in Fox Day yesterday, we was going to run the fast. Then it was a little light I made the run. Then I run, and Mummy saw me. I run far than anybody else.
Oh, it's not traffic now to our city.
Hey, I need to talk to them.
Yeah, okay.
Now I need to say it to them.
Okay, say it again.
Okay, guys, it was taking a little while for me to run. Then I run, and I run fast than anybody with my certificate hat. Because I turned it the wrong way. That's the way on near me to see, and the teacher said, well done. Because I'm very fast. traffic. Now I can talk. Yeah,
Kanina
it's
walang traffic doon, but here
I
it's traffic.
about more now.
Yeah.
Yay!
Mas nag-i-enjoy to ng traffic kaya sa akin. Alexander don't easily get bored, which is good.
The next one I'm talking is you get a cup, then fill up with water, then put it in the colored room.
Yes, and then there's another that egg. How you call that egg?
No, there's one more. Then you pass it to the other kid. Then they do the same thing.
Yeah. And how do you call that egg?
And the next one, the 8 phone race. You put the 8 on the phone and go slow, then fast, then slow, then fast. So you will drop it. But I dropped it and I didn't win with that one. But you need to put it up and it falls down.
Is it
The next one. So this one's a bit like golf, but it isn't. It's like that person that team with that one. With that color ball.
is it like
And that golf team.
Alexander, did you
And you put it with the lawn and you pass it
so traffic now.
along, then come
So
back.
much queue.
Then you did it to the
As
next
in?
person. The next one is the bean bags.
Yeah.
And so we threw 3 of them into the hoop. And I didn't win that.
Yeah, but nobody win. Nobody did able because it's with the hard.
What? Nobody won
Nobody.
with the nobody won with the bean bags?
Yeah, nobody. All didn't put it inside.
What? Is it that okay then?
It's okay because everybody tried.
Is it the other team did it or no?
Didn't also.
Other team?
Yeah.
Other team?
Yeah.
Other team?
Yeah.
Other team?
Yeah.
Why are you saying yes? You said it so hard.
It's hard. That's why nobody did it.
Yes, but you say some of those teams, so you say yes because they did it.
I said no.
Yes, but you say no, then yes.
No, I said. You said they didn't did it. I said yeah.
And you say yes, and the next one you say no.
Actually, ito yung attitude ni Alexander. Pag madali siyang maanoy. So,
Let me that
kailangan niya lang is maano to.
Just let this get off. It's a little one now. I just can't remember anything else. Was there more than that? Was there more than that, Mommy, or not?
What do you mean?
More is it there more than that in the fourth day or not?
That's it. Next year again, you will have sports day.
But will we practice?
Of course, we will practice.
You practice the den and the den? But why will we practice the den and the den?
In the forest this summer.
Huh?
This summer.
But we practice inside only. No, we don't practice outside.
Okay.
We practice inside before it takes fourth day. But it's very long. I can't remember how many days it was. It's very long. I think it's 100 million days. Or 100.
Okay guys, cut ko to guys kasi super traffic guys. I don't know what time we will be finished here. Bye!